Hello and welcome to everyone. This is Famida Feroz and you are watching my channel Agriculture with me. Today I will talk about the vegetable brinjal or eggplant. This is belong to the family Solanaceae. Brinjal, eggplant, or Solanum melangina are worldwide grown at its edible fruit. May also control the blood sugar level, fighting cancer fighting benefits, and brinjal has its natural chemicals called phytonutrients. Phytonutrients also improve the mental health and boost the memory by stimulating the neural pathways. So don't waste your time and start the video. Eggplant or brinjal is a plant species in nightshade family Solanaceae. Solanum melangina is grown worldwide for its edible fruit, most commonly purple. The spongy absorbent fruit is used in several cuisines, typically used as vegetable in cooking. Brinjal is a hardy crop and is cultivated under a wide range of soils. Since a long duration crop with high yield, well drained and fertile soil is preferred for the crop. Crops grown in sandy soils yield early and those grown in clay soils yield more. Ideal pH for cultivation of crop is 5.5 to 6.6. Brinjal crop can be grown in both winter and summer seasons. As a winter crop, it is better to sow brinjal in between June and July month. And as a summer crop, it is better to sow brinjal in between December and January month. Plant will fruit after 3 to 4 months. Eggplants grow about 40 to 90 centimeters as compact self-supporting shrubs, but the heavier varieties might need support. As a basic rule of thumb, vegetables grown for their fruit or roots, such as tomatoes, eggplant, peppers, squash, potatoes, or carrot, require full sun, which is defined as garden location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Keep in mind, though, that no vegetable can thrive in deep, dense shade. This plant is in the same Solanaceae family as tomatoes and peppers, so it may grow from year to year, depending on the climate. However, the old plants and the new ones initially grow at the same rate and yielded the same number and size of fruit. Spacing of eggplant is 18 inches apart in rows 30 to 36 inches apart. Harvest can be done 55 to 60 days after transplanting. Fruits are harvested at the tender stage at 4 to 5 days intervals. Color, size, glossy, smooth and tender. Color with white strips, size 25 to 30 centimeter long, oblong or round. Usually one brinjal plant can yield up to 15 eggplants. Depends on varieties. Balanced fertilizer 10-10-10 ratio is often recommended for eggplant. Feeding too much nitrogen at this point can result in large leafy plants that fail to produce fruit. Fertilizing the soil before planting helps to give the transplants a good start. Dig in 2 to 4 inches of well decomposed compost and or manure to lighten the soil and aid nutrients. An organic fertilizer such as dried chicken, dung or any other type of manure make a good fertilizer for starting your eggplants. The insect pests are the major constraint in production of brinjal and are the main cause of production loss, but only few of them caused severe damage to the crop. Among them, aphid, jacid, whitefly, and shoot and fruit borers. Most important pest and damage brinjal severely. Spraying the crop with malathion 2 ml per liter of water or carbaryl 2 to 4 gram per liter of water effectively controls the pest. Control the brinjal diseases adopting good field sanitation, destruction of infected plant material and crop rotation help to reduce the spread of the disease. Seed obtained from diseased plants should be used for planting. Seed treatment with thiram 2 gram per kg seed. Protect the seedling in the nursery stage. Seed rate for brinjal farming or cultivation. Seed required for planting 1 hectare for varieties in 400 gram and for hybrids in 200 gram. Seed treatment of brinjal seeds. Seed treatment with Trichoderma viride 4 gram per kg or Pseudomonas fluorescens 10 gram per kg of seed. Thanks for watching.